For today's Demo Bites, we are going to look at how you can use the data you've collected about your guests to personalize the guest experience. Now, what does this mean? Well, if a guest tells you that they're here for work versus another guest tells you they're here for maybe, say, a family trip, shouldn't the upsells, the fees, the guidebooks, and even the content of your messaging be different? Check this out. As part of your check-in form, when you set up your verification settings, so I'm going to click on ID verification, you get to choose whether or not to save that setting for all your properties or a group of properties. You can add a condition, such as saying, well, if it's a, let's say, Airbnb reservation, then I want to collect certain information, verify the IDs, have an agreement signed. Diving into the information collection, we've just launched the ability to collect all different types of fields, from the address to the date of birth, the number of pets, the expected check-in, checkout time, but also other types of fields, a time field, an image uploader, you name it. So what is unique about this? Well, just like I said before, the information that we're collecting here can be used to tailor and personalize the guest experience. So I'm going to create a single select option. We're going to call this, what event are you in town for? And they've got different options. F1 race. Maybe let's say we've also got the Oppenheimer movie. Not sure if that's how you spell it. And 50 Cent concert. There we go. Save that and save these conditions. Now, we've got a new channel. If booking channel is Airbnb, we're collecting certain information here. If I go to any of my other settings, I can now create a condition to say, for example, I want a guidebook on, we're going to create it from scratch, or actually we'll use the parking instruction template, but we're only going to provide these parking instruction if the guest details of the event is the F1 race. And now, based on the output, or based on what the guest responds, you can tailor the content throughout Enzo Connect. Whether it's the guidebooks for the content of particular parking instructions, or any type of other condition that you need to create. If the guest has more than 3 pets, then charge a specific type of fee. If the guest is here for a specific event, then provide this example of a guidebook. You name it. This gives you the power to configure the guest experience your way. Thank you.